Hi guys, so today we're going to create this background on Blender 2.92 and it's really easy, so let's just start. So I've got a new file here and so we'll just add in a plane, add mesh plane. So let's just RX plane. We'll just use the keys. We'll just use the rotate tool, bring it up like that, or just do our Y90 or our X90, your choice. I'm not doing it because my keyboard is not working right now, so yeah. So here we have our just plain plane. Okay. um we'll just do this to get this, like we'll make it a bit bigger. It's your choice. I want mine a bit bigger, so I'm just going to make it like this. And now let's go into the shading view. Yes, so we have this, and now let's just use the normal principled material. Woohoo, principled. Okay, so now let's go into the, now let's shift A, search color ramp, and we'll bring it into the roughness, and I'm going to make this color a bit gray, or maybe blue, shade of blue, I don't know. Do it to your liking. I'm going to use just a pinkish color, yeah. And if you want to make this a bit lighter, it will make your roughness a bit like softer. So yeah, just use that. And then now add a noise texture. Noise texture, back to the pack. And if you look, you've got a bit of a noisy kind of thing. So I'm going to decrease my scale a bit, just to 4.9. Then with the node regular add-on switched on, just do Control T, you get these nodes. So make sure you have this on. Preference, node wrangler. It's right here. So I have that on. I just do Control T, and I'm here. I'm going to bring the roughness a bit high. Yeah, good. Normal. Sorry. Now to make this bumpy kind of thing, we're going to add a bump node, obviously. What else node will we add? And we still get the same thing no matter what. And now, and to do that, to activate the bump node, you have to use a noise texture or a void night texture or some kind of texture. So to do that, first I'm going to add a color ramp. So texture coordinate, color ramp. And still nothing happens. And now we'll just add a Voronoi. And look, you get this kind of thing. Yay! And change this to Chevy Chev so that you'll get like kind of this kind of thing. And you can play with your scale. Look, yay, you get this kind of thing. And you can play with your scale of this. You can use this, make it blue. Just have some fun. So that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.